Adam, show me a walk. How do you do it? Who are you going to be?
I want you to be C-3PO.
Okay, show me. That's awesome. Can you go that way and show me R2-D2?
Okay.
That's hard. That's hard.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Can you be R2-D2 and I be C-3PO?
Okay, I'll give the camera to Daddy. Is it like this?
No, C-3PO walks like...
But you're 3CPO.
No, R2-D2 walks a slide.
Oh, slides like this?
No, he slides. You just have to put your feet together and just do this.
I'm not really sure if I can do that. Grown-ups can't squat like kids can.
Okay, try that.
Okay. You show me the C-3PO.
R2-D2. Let's just stay there. Don't move anywhere. I'm looking. There, I'm done. You can move now.
That was a fun game. High fives. Big hugs. Can I have a robot hug? Boop. Boop.